Hello guys, welcome to Legend. Today we're gonna be doing some drone flying. My friend's got his DJI Neo over here and I've got my DJI Mini 3 Pro and I've also got the controller. So what we're gonna take off. So yeah. Alright, so I've got my drone out, we're gonna take off. I'm gonna start recording.
You charged it?
We're gonna take off, yeah, I charged it. I didn't charge it enough, but we're not gonna go that high.
3, 2,
Wait.
1. You can take off.
Alright, so let's go a little bit higher.
Alright.
We're gonna explore the area. We're not gonna go too high because it's really windy today. So take off yours as well, yeah?
We tried it.
Do it now.
Do it now.
Alright, so we've got this nice fountain over here. Alright, so we get a footage of Myland Park. Let's get a shot of this.
Why is it not working? Hello.
Hello. I'm bringing it. I'm gonna bring it here, yeah.
Hey.
Oh, we're facing headwind.
Hello.
Hello.
What's happening?
Yeah, it's really windy. That's why it's taking long.
Bruv, why is it not working? Why is it not working?
Look, don't do this. You can probably fly it like this. Well, let's try and fly it like this. Yeah. Look. Let me turn mine off for now.
Yeah, turn it off.
To save battery because I don't want to waste the battery. Alright, so it's really windy today, so we just decided we were going to fly another day. We're going to fly when it's sunnier in this area. Alright, so as you can see, I'm going to do a 360 photo first as my friend flies his DJI Neo about, and now include that in the screen recording. I'll probably make it a separate video as well. Be careful. I'm going to do a 360 photo here in Myland Park. You can press down. The wind is a bit too strong at the moment, just that's why. Alright, stop recording. We're gonna go 360 photo mode. We've got the max height. Even for me, I'm getting strong wind warning. Okay, so it seems like we're not getting a 360 photo, but we're gonna just explore the area. So as you can see the London skyline. Hello? Yeah, I see it. Got strong wind warning. So we're gonna get a 360 view. You can see Canary Wharf over here. I'm gonna get a shot of Canary Wharf as well. Let's go ahead. See that? It's amazing. Look at that shot. That is an amazing cinematic shot. Yeah. Bring it back. Don't lose it. I don't want my friend to lose his drone, otherwise that would be bad. So let's get an orbit shot. Land it. Right, let's bring my drone back. Oh, look at that shot. I keep getting a sideways shot. It's amazing. Oh, that's sick. I need to take a photo of that. I'm going to bring it to where I am first. Yeah. Well, I'm going to take a photo. Actually, no, I'm going to take a 360 photo again. Oh, my friend just landed his drone, so I'm just going to carry on my flight.
Landed on the grass.
Alright. Okay.
Will it work again?
Yeah, just get a second battery. Take that out and turn off the controller. Turn the drone off and put the other battery in. Man, the flipping 360 photo just ended right at the end. It's right over here. All right, I'm gonna bring it here now. We're gonna get a shot. We're gonna get a shot of the road. Yeah. I know. Alright, it's raining a bit, so I might just land it if it gets too much, but I'm gonna get a nice shot of Myland over here, as you can see. Amazing shot. Yeah, it started raining a little bit, so we're gonna have to mind where we fly. Make sure we don't go near the rain. So you've got a little water fountain over here. Let's get an orbit shot of that. Actually, you know what? I wanted to get a photo of London skyline in this weather. Let's do it. Let's do that right now before we miss out on this opportunity. This is literally an opportunity to get an amazing photo. Take a photo. As you can see on the screen, that is amazing. On the JPEG plus RAW as well. Portrait as well. Okay, that was blurry, unfortunately. Look at that shot. That's amazing. Look at that.
Hello?
Yeah?
How do you plug it in?
It's in now. Yeah, now it's in.
Okay. How do you
Right,
do
I'm
it?
gonna take a photo of that. Alright. Let me just finish this flight first. Alright, now I'm gonna get a 40 megapixel photo of this as well. Because that is insane. Look at that shot. This is the best time to fly actually. Golden hour or whatever. Got these amazing photos of Canary Wharf and central London. I'm taking another photo of this London skyline because that is sick. I'm gonna put that on my Instagram later.
Hey,
Yeah. Alright, let's just go back to video mode now. You know what, we'll do another 360 photo again. Hoping that it completes. Alright, so let's go back to video mode. My friend's controller battery's died, so I'm gonna let him have a shot with my drone. Alright, so he's flying my drone. You don't have to use the gimbal as well, isn't it?
yeah.
Don't hit the tree though.
Okay, I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go up, don't worry.
Yeah, you can get shot. Don't hit the tree though.
How is it? I'm flying.
Yeah, you're flying good actually, you're getting the hang of it. I'm glad you like it. Alright, cheers.
You're on now.
Yeah.
How did I do?
Yeah, you did well.
Yeah. It
Alright,
was fun going up.
let's get a sideways shot of this
Where's
street.
your drone? It's there.
It's right here. Look,
Don't hit the.
I'm confident. Don't worry.
I'm saying don't hit the bird.
I'm not gonna hit the bird, bro.
It's fun, man. Your drone is good. I
Yeah,
might buy that.
yeah. Buy that after. Once you get a hang of DJI Neo.
I know how to use the Neo now. What do you mean? Don't make fun of me.
I'm not making fun of your Neo. You can get, you know, the DJI Avata is so
I
much
think
fun.
you spend more than me, but it's good. I'm gonna buy as well, babies. After
Yeah.
money. Where's your drone?
It's right over there. Look, that there.
I can't see it. Huh?
It's right there.
Where?
Right there. I'm getting a nice. You know what? It's a nice footage. Yeah, golden hour after it just rained. After the rain, literally.
You can see the buildings.
Amazing drone footage. I like
I can't
it.
really see it.
Unparalleled.
Where is it?
Huh?
Hello?
Hello, it's over there. You like it, yeah?
It was fun, man.
Yeah. Alright,
I flied it.
let's get a shot of this fountain. You know what? I'm gonna walk towards that fountain and get a shot of
We
it.
head back.
Yeah. We've got a canal over here as well, as you can see.
We have a class with 6.
Alright.
6:50. What's the time? 5:30.
Yeah. Get a shot of this fountain. And we've got a canal next to us, so we're gonna get a shot of the canal as well. That is an amazing shot. Sun's gone down a little bit, but that's not gonna stop us getting this shot of the canal. At Myland Park. Look at that shot with that purple skyline. Oh, that is sick. Look at that. That is an amazing shot. You can see the train over there as well, as you can see. You know what? Look at that. You can see London. When I got to the max height, you can actually hear that train. Oh, I think that's a different train, 'cause that's far away. So we're gonna take another photo of this because I need to take a photo of that. That's amazing. 360 photo. No, forget 360 photo. We're gonna do 40 megapixel photo.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Go.
Wait, let me just take this last photo. Look at that London's. Look at that. That's the money shot. Look at that.
Good hot chocolate.
Yeah, we'll have it after. I'm gonna land it after. That is the money shot.
My battery was low. I charging it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be dark now, is it?
Yeah, it's gonna be dark. Let's get a sideways shot of London.
I don't like London.
And I wanna. Hey.
Joking.
Oh, look at that. That is an amazing shot.
Which one?
What I'm taking right now.
Do you really think these things?
Yeah.
Do you absorb these things?
City of London. I absorb it. Yeah.
That's it, but the words?
All right, let's get a shot of this as well. Down here. Let's get a shot of this traffic. After my battery is low, I want to get a shot of this canal. What else can we get a shot of? Where else have we not been?
I think London Bridge. Go London Bridge.
We'll go there one other
How
time.
far is it?
Like sometime. It's not that far from here.
Can you fly there?
Yeah. I can't fly from here, obviously.
Where are you going?
I'm going down the canal.
Okay.
All right.
Bring it back. Let's go, man.
Let's head back.
Eat and go.
Yeah, let's head back.
Come bring it back.
So yeah.
It's better if we use both of them together at the same time.
We'll do it after.
It's not working right. It's charging. Are you bringing it back?
Yeah, I'm bringing it back.
Which area are you bringing it from?
Right over there.
I can't see your drone, man.
It's right there.
Where? Can you put your hand on it?
It's at the far end. It's hard to.
Hard to see.
No, it's hard to let you guide you where it is in the sky, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's right there now. Look, the tiny little thing, isn't it?
Is that yours? Yeah.
Yeah, that's mine.
Bring it here.
Right, let's use the last battery on getting
Your battery is finishing.
the last shot of London Canary Wharf. Look at that. I'm taking another photo of that. That is an amazing shot. I'm taking another photo of the London skyline. Shard right in the middle.
Back now?
We're gonna land it now.
Departure time.
Departure time. Arrival time.
Arrival time. Departure time. It departed and it's arriving now.
Yeah. Actually, you know what? Let's get a descending shot of Canary Wharf.
It's not Canary Wharf. Yeah, in Milan.
No. You can see Canary Wharf right over there. Look
Is
there.
it?
Yeah.
Oh, sick, Canary.
Yeah. Really cinematic.
Can you bring it back? Let's go.
Yeah, I'm bringing it back. I'm landing it now.
My one is charging.
See that?
Is that your drone?
Yeah, that's my drone. I can see it.
Hey,
In
bring
real
it
life.
here.
Let's go over the tree. You can see the buses as well, as you can see. Let's get one last shot of the road first.
It's good, bro. It's good fun.
Battery level is low.
To be honest, it's like a good
Aircraft will return to
Yeah,
the
it's
home
fun,
point
isn't it?
in 10 seconds.
We're gonna do more drone flights like this. Let's do tracking shots. Let's track this bus. Yeah. Alright, let's land it now. We're low on battery. That was my amazing drone flight here in Milan. That was amazing. I hit my hand with the propellers. I don't know what's happened with my gimbal. It seems that it's not calibrated. Well, let me power cycle it. Alright, the gimbal seems to be fine. The drone is fine. Yeah, the gimbal seems to be fine as well. End this video now. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna turn this drone off. Thank you for watching.